Today I will explain uh, how to check the duct system. Okay, I already linked the file here. Okay, at the same time I just put some air terminals here, so you can find it here also. Now I can connect this one to the system. So I just click this one, and after that I just go to select duct and go to edit system and select the equipment. Apply again. I just go to select the network. In the network, I'll put it 4000 height, 4000 height. Okay. Now I apply this one. Now see here some clashes. So now you can go to select this, the duct system, check the duct system. Okay. See here you can find out the indicator. So the warning message you can find out. So what is the warning message here? So I'll just check it again. So I have to replace this one. Okay. I have to remove this one also. Now I will select the duct. I have to connect it. So first of all, I just wanted to draw this one straight away. And after that, I will connect this one. So first of all, you have to find out the elevation. So I just select, this is 4000. When I select this one, this is 3500. So that is the issue came. So I just put it 4000. Okay. I change the elevation. Now I will connect it. See, now it's done. So you have to always you have to check the elevation of this one. Now I will check again this one. So here it's no any warning. It's mean it's already perfectly it's connected. Okay. Now you just right click the system browser. Go to select the mechanical. Now you can find out the flow. When you keep this one, the flow chart is available. Okay. So I hope you understand this video. So how I can create the duct system, how we can able to check the duct system. You just apply for DC shortcut key also you can find out. Thank you so much.